Hi, Gamer here. Today I'm gonna be fixing like this ugly controller. I'm gonna be changing its thing. Forgot. And then I'm gonna be changing it into this zombie looking one. If you look closely, you'll see it like radioactive signs. Then you're gonna be seeing like zombies. Let me see where I can find like one right there. Like right there looks really like weird, but I'm just gonna do it because it kind of looks bad like this. I'll rather put this than keeping it like this. If you guys like it like this, just comment below. I might just because we spray painted it and stuff and it looks so bad, so I might just take off the paint, freaking take it off with something and then just put it back and it'll look normal. But just comment what should I do. And then I have the tools right here. Look at it. Oh, you can't see it. It's too bright. Sorry. But it's like a special tool for only the Xbox controller. There's two of them. There's a male one. Because the female one has a hole and then the male one has just no hole. So the male is this one and then the female is this one. You will need both of them. And then I have this. I won't need it. And then it comes with a lot more stuff. It came with this. And then it came with the bumpers. I might not put that on it if it's good or not. And I might not put this. I might and I might not. That is for right here, the top. And then it comes with the joysticks. Comes with two. And I'm definitely not putting these. These things is for the buttons. So I'm definitely not doing that. And then here's the other joystick. So let's get into this. Sorry, you won't see it, but you need to take off the back part first. And I'm doing that right now. Kind of hard because the spray paint got stuck into the. Let me show you. Oh, it's really hard. Oh, there you go. There we go, I got it out. So you need to take off these parts if you want to open it. Okay, now the other side. It'll sound like it's breaking, but it's not. It's just taking it off, see? Now this part is off. Now you get the female part, the female tool, and then you will use it to take off the little bolts, I think they're called. No, not bolts. Little screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 screws that you need to take off. So I'm doing that right now. I know you guys can't see, but I'm actually doing it. Okay. And this doesn't take that long if you want to put everything like these two. That takes long, but if you just want to put this and then these bumpers, I might not do it. I might not do it. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. And I won't do these two. I won't. Because it's kind of hard. And I tried to do it, but I couldn't do it. So I already, see, I took off this part. And then the back part, you could actually take it off. That noise is the little screws. You don't want to lose these because you will need them. And then when you have this controller like that, just take off these if you want to, if you have extra. Yeah, it's kind of disgusting. And this is was my sister's because she doesn't use the Xbox anymore. Yeah, this is better. So I'll show you right now. Compared to her controllers and mine, my controller, where is it? Okay, it's right here. Mine, I opened it and then I put that, if you can see the little joysticks. I did that. And then I got this for like 60 bucks, the controller. It was a lot of, but I got it like cheaper, like 50, I think, at GameStop and Black Friday. It's just kind of hard putting this in here. Let me just... God damn. Okay, there we go. I did it. The little joysticks kind of broken. If you could, yeah, these compared to this one. Yeah, these are really like bad. But it is usable, so I won't mind that. So so I'm gonna put it on. Honestly, this doesn't look that bad. Just, I need to clean it and stuff. I'll be right back, okay guys? It'll be like a couple seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. And then I have like Clorox wipes so I could clean it. Put this aside. Okay. So just clean it. So it'll look like a new controller, And I had this skin, if you want to call it. I had it for so long, so I'll just make a video about it. That's weird. Oh yeah, cause this controller looks weird. Yeah, this is cool. I'm still cleaning it. Still has a couple like of paint. So now I'm gonna put the back part. Yeah, of the back part. You need to be careful because there's like if you see something right there, that like silver thing right there. Yeah, that silver thing. So you need to be careful and put it right, or if you don't put it right, the batteries won't go like in right. So you need to do that. Okay, so come on. Okay. So I did it. So I just need to, oh, I forgot to do something. I need to take off these, because look, it's not off. Oh, come on. That's a lot of damage. Yeah, I took off one of them. Sorry, I can't talk today. What the heck? Okay, I took off another one. Okay, now it's all like naked, if you want to say that. Okay, so let's put this back. Now I could put like the screws. Yeah, I got it. From right here looks really nice, honestly. So now I'm gonna put the little screws. You can start from anywhere, like you can start from the middle, the sides. If you don't have one of these just get some on Amazon. Oh, I did something wrong. Yeah, get these on Amazon. That's where I got it. I got mine on Wish, if you know what that is. I'm confused. Oh, now I know. I forgot to do something. Okay, guys. So, if you get one of these on the other side from the battery thing, from your old one, you need to take off something. Like, it'll look so weird, and then when you know it, like from this side, you're gonna see it. That side, you see that silver thing right there in the side? Yeah, you need to take that off and then put it on the other one. Yeah, that's what I forgot to do. Oh, I need to get this. Okay. It's kind of easy to take it out. And these, you could just buy them on Amazon too, if you broke it or something. They're gonna be a couple of dollars, or yeah, it'll be a couple of dollars. So when you got it, put it on the other one. Look, oh, it's too bright. Okay, so you see that silver? Yeah. So you just need to push it in. Okay. I hope I'm putting it, yeah, I'm putting it right. So, okay, so I put it in. Yeah, now it doesn't look so weird. There you go. Now it fits good. I don't have my Xbox here, so I won't show you like a gameplay or something. I'll just show you that it works. So, yeah. This is like my first, no, like, for a long time, my video, like, a long time. Because I do, like, live streams a lot. I might just do videos now. Like, yeah, I'll just do videos, not live streams. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Just drops something. Okay. Okay, I'm putting the screws back on. Trying to do it fast so I could show you guys how it looks. But right now my brother is using the Xbox. Okay, I'm doing it. And my sister doesn't know I'm not doing this. She might not care, she might and she might not. I had 2 white controllers, but one of them, my mom threw it away because she thought it was just trash. And then I just had like this controller and then that controller, so we just had 2. And then I kind of couldn't, like, because that was the time when my brother and we will play like Minecraft. That was like a long time ago. But now we play like Call of Duty and Fortnite. Yeah. But I could still play some Minecraft. It's like a really old game, but it's good. It's a good game. Like, I made Minecraft videos. That was like in 2016. No, it's 2019. That was like 3 years ago, I think. Okay. No, that was like 4 years, I think. God. You can't count. Oops. And you need to put the screws tight so nothing bad could happen. So yeah, this will be like a 20-minute video. So yeah, so I just did it right now. Yeah, this will be a 20-minute video. I'm sorry guys. If you guys made it to the end, wow, this actually feels nice. Okay, so I still need to get the batteries. You could actually get a battery pack too. A battery pack, and then you could charge the battery pack and it will be good. Because I have a battery pack in this controller, you guys see. Yeah, and then now I'm going to put the batteries. Yeah, so. Okay, now I need to get this. This actually looks nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get you guys. Put you guys right here. If you guys see. Let me put the light a little bit like that. I know my hair's kind of messy. Okay, guys, look at it. God, I can't hold it right. Okay, see that? Don't tell me, guys, that I did something. Don't tell me that I did it right. Tell me, guys, if I did it right. There you go. So, this will be a 21-minute video. Okay, guys, if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Okay, guys, and peace.